Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will be making Karaage Japanese Fried Chicken. This dish is one of the staple dishes of the Japanese home cooking. Karaage should have crispy exterior and juicy interior. Follow the recipe step by step. You will have the best karaage ever. So let's get started. Pat dry my chicken thigh and cut into chunks, removing the excess fat and skin. Put in a plastic bag and add ginger juice, mirin, and soy sauce. Release the air as much as you can and marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Take out the chicken, dripping off the marinade. Coat with a generous amount of potato starch. Leave it a few minutes to moisten the starch. It will be very crispy. Heat the oil to 160 degrees Celsius. Fry the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until thoroughly cooked. Lift the chicken occasionally to remove the moisture from the exterior. By doing so, you will have the crispiest on the outside and juiciest on the inside karaage. Transfer to a serving dish with the fresh green. The first one, eat it as it is with a squeeze of lemon juice. The second one, wrapped in a leaf lettuce. So good! Karaage makes a wonderful side dish for bento lunchbox. My son gets excited when he knows karaage in his bento lunchbox. So give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Share my recipe to your friends and families. If you have any questions and comments and future video requests, let me know in the comments as always. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!